Hey, it's Chris Doherty, Doherty Properties, and I want to talk to you about one of the most difficult things that you have to do to get your house ready to sell is go through this process of decluttering the home. And I think that this often gets overlooked. A lot of times we get calls from sellers of properties and they say, look, we want to sell our home. We're getting ready and we want to get listed right away. Can you come over and let us know the value of the home? And I will go over and I will walk through the house, and there will just be an enormous amount of items in the house, which is typical, especially for people who have lived there 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. They've really accumulated a lot of stuff. And so one of the things that takes a lot longer than people are expecting and is a lot harder than people are anticipating is this process of decluttering your home. And so I just went through this process with some sellers literally earlier today, and I went into the house and there was just stuff everywhere. And I want to give you a couple of tips and steps on what you should do. First, if you can afford it and you are in a position to, get a dumpster, okay? And there are different size dumpsters that are available, but you can have a dumpster dropped at your house it's not incredibly inexpensive. You're going to be $800, $900 range, but they'll drop a dumpster at your house and you could start that process of just throwing stuff out that needs to get thrown out. And then the stuff that you want to sell or get rid of, you can put that aside. But the first step, if you could do it, is get a dumpster and start to clear it out. The second thing, if you have time, that you want to start to think about is selling some of the good items. So you want to get a list together. One is, okay, we're throwing out these items. Two, we have these items we want to sell. Three, we have these items we want to give away. But you really want to plan this decluttering process if you have a home that has a lot of items, okay? And this is stressful, it takes time, and it's a lot harder and more difficult than people expect. After I sell a house, I say, hey, how was the process? They said everything was great except getting everything out of the house. That was the tough part. So we want to go through first, get a dumpster if you can afford it. If you can't afford it, then we want to get all these items into a certain location. If you have a basement, do it in an organized fashion, put the stuff into the basement so we can get the primary areas of the house looking good so people can walk through, see a clean and decluttered kitchen, see a clean and decluttered living room, decluttered bedrooms, bathrooms. You can put stuff in closets if you have to. You can put items in basements if you need to. You can store items in the garage, but you have to get them out of the living space to declutter to get the most money for this home. So the steps are: settle down, get ready. You want to sell your house. Now let's get a list together. Let's get a dumpster if we can afford it. If not, let's make some decisions on what we're going to do with those items. Two, let's determine which items we're going to sell. And remember, this process of selling items takes a lot longer. Or three, what items are we going to give away, and coordinate a day with the people that you're giving the items to for pickup. And then once you have this house decluttered, get cleaners into that house to do a professional cleaning so it looks top notch in all of the areas that you decluttered, or you could do that yourself if you have the time and ability. But I think that this process should be a 60 to 90 day process if you have a home that really has a lot of stuff. It's usually not realistic to think that you could declutter a home in 30, 40, 50 years in 2 or 3 days, okay? People overestimate their ability to get stuff in a time frame, and they underestimate the amount of work. So let's get a plan 60 days out, get that house decluttered, and then we can get some great photos for you. Hope this helps. Hope you guys are having a great 2024, and I look forward to seeing you soon.